So I tried to add a voiceover, but it didn't really work, and so now I'm gonna have to voice over the whole thing on top of my other voiceovers.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Coming in speedy.
Oh, loyal.
Okay.
Oh, loyal subscribers.
That was a little aggressive.
This is gonna be a giant squishy haul. So it's kind of an unusual package, but like we'll see what happens.
We get it. It's a shopping cart.
I don't know what I'm doing here.
Start already.
Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I don't really know what to start with, but let's go with. Oh my god. So this is.
Oh wait.
A green bunny. I kind of ordered an orange one. I already have like
she gave you the
green
wrong
ones.
color.
So, oh well. You already have 3 green ones? You are so quick to judge. A giant defect? What moral person would do that?
The next one we have is a panda bun.
Panda bun?
I'm not gonna lie, this was supposed to be huge. Supposed to be like a
giant booty.
But this is really tiny, but it's so cute, so you know, I'll just talk to her about that once.
Okay, no, it's not extra.
The next one we have, I guess, is a little strawberry.
That is not cool.
They already sent me an extra, but strawberry. This is clearly not it. I mean, at least I don't think it smells good though. For now, but I'll thank you.
Good
Thank
sniff.
you for the other extra, Gracie. But I will contact her about that. You know what? It must be coming in another package. It's coming in another package. There's no way it's not coming in another package.
Totally coming in another package.
Watermelon? And which is
Ooh,
it's
summertime.
squishy, but like they're supposed to be. And I didn't order this.
Well, you get what you get and you don't throw a fit.
Yeah, I don't know what this is. And
Go back
also,
to kindergarten.
All of these, just a quick note, all of these still have tags on them.
Oh my god, what a scammer.
Which is a little bit odd to me.
I now get why
whatever.
everything was so weird. It's because she
And then the
scammed.
next
Do you
one,
get it, guys?
Okay, I ordered a football for my
Well, it's supposed
son.
to be football, but it's not.
My sport, but I guess
That's so funny.
I guess she
LOL.
put this in here instead. Maybe she's Canadian, you know. Maybe that's what they play over there. It's just soccer
Probably from
all the
Canada.
time. So I'll talk to her about that. And then also the last thing we have here is this.
Oh
Which,
no.
I mean, someone must have gotten it in the mail.
Whoa.
You know, it's in the mail. Someone probably just ate it. Mistakes happen. And so the thing I'm missing is basically everything, but mainly the bun. Like everything else, I kind of have a really kind of solid fit, but like, where's my bun? I just have a watermelon. So I'll talk to her and I'll get back with you guys, unless I get another package with all the real stuff in it. So bye. So I contacted Gracie's Spices, and I gotta say, I'm really disappointed. I immediately understood my concerns, how they're all the wrong size. They all have tags on them. I didn't even get my bun. And she responded immediately back. You know what she said? You get what you pay for. And I gotta say, I'm like super mad right now. Like so mad. Like, oh my god. So peeved. I could throw all these squishies on the ground right now. I'm not going to, but I could. That's how mad I am. So that's, I guess you get what you pay for. That's all for my vlog. Bye bye.